Welcome class to our Logic Designs YouTube channel. Today we are back with another SolidWorks part modeling video tutorial. I hope class you have enjoyed our previous SolidWorks design videos. So if you really like our tutorial, then like, share and subscribe our Logic Designs YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification of latest design videos. I know class you will get the idea on today's video tutorial at the starting of this video. So we are creating this 3D model in SolidWorks. So if you notice to this 3D model clearly, there will be one rib is present between upper part and lower part. So we creating this rib by using boundary boss base command. This is a new method to creating rib in SolidWorks 3D modeling by using boundary boss base. So class, we concentrate on today's video tutorial. So let's get started our today's video tutorial. First, press Ctrl plus N button to open new SolidWorks document window in SolidWorks. Here I am clicking Ctrl plus N button. Now you can see here new SolidWorks document window is open. There are three options: part, assembly and drawing. We want part modeling, so select part. Here I am selecting part, then click on OK option. Click this OK option. Wait for few seconds to load SolidWorks part modeling environment. Now you can see here on the left side of the screen our today's video tutorial topic in front view and left hand side view. I can see here on left side this is a front view, on right side of the image this is a left hand side view. Now we creating this object in SolidWorks 3D modeling on front plane. First of all class, please read all annotations from this drawing. Now here I am reading all drawing annotations from this image. First we create this lower part on front plane by using revolve command. So for that, please note all annotations dimensions on a simple paper. Okay, for creating this lower part, first of all select front plane for revolve command. Now press sketch option, then again sketch option. You can see here sketch option activated. Now create this lower part. First, for that select center line, create horizontal center line, then again center line for vertical also. Here I am creating vertical center line. Next one, we need to create lower part by using line command. We just only creating a half portion of this bottom part. First, create random drawing. Okay, here I am creating random drawing of lower part. Now give smart dimensions, okay, for this half portion. Okay, smart dimension, give first 35 mm, then this side 45 mm, then this corner point and this point is 20 mm. Now next one 50 mm. Okay, now you can see here the half portion is now created. Now we need to opt revolve command for complete this half portion. Now for that go to features and select revolve. Now select this contour. Okay, here I am selecting contour and select axis of rotation. Select this center line. Okay, now click on OK option. Now you can see here our tower part of this 3D model is now created by using Revolve Boss Base. In this tutorial, we also covering Revolve Boss Base and Boundary Boss Base command. So be concentrate. Now create this portion on back side of this lower part. Now for that, first go to the sketch and select this back face or bottom face. Sketch, select this face and Ctrl plus 8 button for normal to. Now go to the convert entity and convert this circle edge. Now go to center line option and create one vertical center line. Okay, next one we need to create again half portion by using this line command. Before that, please trim out all unwanted area. Then smart dimension, give dimension is 45 mm to the center line. Again line command, create some random lines. Okay, now select smart dimension, give dimension is 25 mm. Okay, next one we need to trim out all unwanted area first, then give vertical alignment from this point to center point. Set vertical. Now you can see here our sketch is fully defined. Now mirror this object on right side and select this axis. Now you can see here we got full portion of this drawing. Now give smart dimension 45 mm. Next we need to extrude this portion up to 15 mm. For that, go to the extrude boss base. Now set direction and give your dimension 25 mm. Here I am putting 25 mm. Click on OK option. Now you can see the portion is now created. Next one, we need to create upper L type shape on front view or front plane. You can see here clearly this upper portion on front plane. Now select front plane and sketch on this front plane. Now go to the convert entity first and convert required lines from previous object. Okay, next one, select line command and create some random drawing as per our drawing sheet. Now next one, trim command and trim out unwanted area. Next, smart dimensions 15 mm first. Next one 15 mm again. Again height 65 mm. Total height 65 mm. Now you can see here in drawing 65 mm. And this portion is 40 mm. Okay, that's a class. Our sketch is now fully defined. Now extrude this up to 50 mm. Now go to the extrude boss base. Now select here mid plane and put here 50 mm because our object or drawing on front plane. at a center point. Now upper part is also created. Now we need to create a rib between upper part and bottom part. You can see here clearly in drawing. So for that, first we need to go on front plane again, select front plane and go to the sketch. Now sketch is activated. Now press Ctrl plus 8 button for normal to. Now first convert entity and convert all lines from previous sketch. Now we are using line command for angular line. Now you can see here our rib portion is created. There are so many ways to create rib in 3D modeling. So now we using the boundary boss base for this rib, because the circular portion is present in a drawing. That's why we select boundary boss base option to create rib. Now go to the sketch option and select top face. Okay, now drawing on this top face. Now select convert entity option, select line. Next one, offset entity, select this line, bidirectional, and distance is 5 mm. That means total distance is 10 mm. Now trim out unwanted area or portion. Now smart dimension 10 mm. Now next one, we need to create one plane for this circular object. Now exit the sketch, go to the features and create one reference plane. Features, reference, then plane, select bottom side, then flip offset, give dimension 50 mm. Now OK option. Next one, we need to sketch here, sketch, select this plane. Now convert this entity, select this edge, OK. Next one, we need to create line, two vertical lines. Next one, again one line. Now trim out unwanted area. Okay, now we got 10 mm distance upper side of rib. Now hide this plane. Now next one, we need to convert these entities at bottom side. For that, go to the sketch option and select this face. Now select option convert entity to convert this 10 mm distance points. Now OK, we can see here all entities are converted. Now next one, go to the features and select boundary boss. Now concentrate here. In direction 1, select all 10 mm distance arcs. Select one by one. Select all 4 arcs. In a direction 2, select one vertical line. Now you can see here our rib is created. First uncheck merge result, then click on OK. Now you can see here our rib is created by using boundary boss base command. Now you can see here the rib is accurately touched with circular part of this 3D model. This is most important part from this video tutorial. Now next one, we need to create this keyhole. For that we need to select sketch and this front face. Now Ctrl+8 button for normal to. First create one circle of radius 20 mm. Put here 20 mm. Now smart dimension, give this dimension 40 mm diameter. Now next one, create one center line. Now create again line at a horizontal side. Now create these random lines. Put here 5 mm distance and vertical line 5 mm also. Now next one, we need to trimming out all unwanted area. First mirror it, set center line for mirror. Now trim out. That's it. Now put here extrude cut option from features. Adjust all dimensions first. Now next one, features and extrude cut. Features, then extrude cut. Extrude through all whole part. Now you can see here keyhole and keyway is created. Now next one, we need to create a fillet of radius 25 mm. For that, go to the fillet and select these corner edges of both sides. Now put here radius 25 mm. Now we got the fillet of radius 25 mm both sides. Now next one, circle of 530. Now go to circle, select center point of previous fillets, put here 15 mm radius. Now smart dimension, I put over here 30 mm. Now go to the features, then extrude cut. Now okay. That's it class. This is our today's 3D model. I hope class you have enjoyed this video tutorial with full concentration how to create rib by using boundary boss base. Now go to the orientation and select for orientation. Now you can see here front view, left hand side view, top view and trimetric view are displayed as per our drawing sheet. Okay, that's it class. If you like our today's video tutorial, then like, share and subscribe our Logic Designs YouTube channel for latest update design videos, tips and tricks in AutoCAD as well as SolidWorks. So see you in the next video. Stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you.